just you can use a little at a time. Try
Yeah.
that. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
When you said that,
I forgot something.
you just said it.
Huh?
You just said
Toilet
it.
what?
Beef, vegetable beef. Shepherd's pie.
Hmm?
Shepherd's pie.
Yan muna, nabili namin konti pa. Yung lista ni Ken. Ice cream section. 8 o'clock. Morning. Kumakain na si matanda ng ice cream. Look, the front door of the house. How deep is the snow? My God. So deep. How deep, puppy?
You're 3 feet.
3 feet? Oh my God. My God, all of these are full of snow.
80 centimeters.
80 centimeters?
Look at this door.
Oh, the door.
This has glass.
This is a glass and it's full of snow. Oh my God.
Out of propane.
We are out of propane. The gauge is not working, so it was only 50% the other day and it became 0 with this weather. This is in front the garage. Ayan ang kapal, oh. Ang kapal ng snow. Gawa tayo halo-halo. Gusto nyo halo-halo? Ayun, kuha lang kayo ng rekado nyo. Ako na bahala sa ano. Tingnan mo yan, oh, yung pang-construction. Grabe, labas kami linisin ang daanan. Ang kapal ng snow, my God, ang lamig-lamig. Grabe.
Nothing like shoveling driveways. These snow drifts are all 3, maybe 4 feet deep. There's the other gate. Got a little bit of snow between the gates. Here in front of the garage, that's about 3 feet. Oh well, good exercise.
Here we are, snowed in the garage. We are going to attempt to make it through that snowdrift. It's approximately 40 inches.
How many? 40?
I would say 80 centimeters. Hang on.
Oh my God. Ayan! Oh my God, I should use my seatbelt.
Back up. We call this busting drifts. Busting the snow drifts. And we made it. See the path? widen the path. And we're going to try to make a path for
Oh my God, that's too deep.
the propane truck.
Oh my God, that's too deep. Will the truck be able to take that way? You see, it's so deep there.
I'm looking for a path.
Oh my God. Oh my, no. Oh no. Ay! Deep, it's so deep. Ayun, grabe. Ang kapal. Gawa tayo ng halo-halo. Gusto nyo madaming halo-halo dito? Yan, ang kapal. Ang kapal-kapal. Okay. Oh, there on the other side.
That's where it
There.
came out.
Oh my.
Oh, there's the path we started on over to the right.
Wow.
We're going to continue on
That's
this,
too deep.
on this path.
Oh no, how many feet is this?
It's about
Huh?
80 centimeters.
Oh no. Oh. Ay! He's making a way. Gumagawa ng madaanan ng magpasok ng propane gas na ubusan kami. Nasira yung gauge ng tank nila. Imbes na 50% nung isang araw, ngayon nagiging 0. Sa lamig pa naman, di grabe. Grabe. Okay. Oh no.
I'll try to open this gate.
Ken is trying to open the gate kasi may magde-deliver ng propane gas, pero ito medyo hindi makapal itong nadaanan niya, pero yung parte doon malalim. Ang lalim, grabe. Lalim. It's hard. Oh, God. Halo-halo. Ang dami. Gusto nyo? You move all over here. Halo-halo. Ang dami. Hindi na natin kailangan magkuskus. No need to use kuskus. Ano na lang kailangan? Ricardo. Ay! Ang dami. Ang lamig. Ito ba? Malumi. This is not good. This
Well-
one is good.
Walk out there.
Huh?
Walk out there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a hard.
It's hard snow. It's 3 days old, so
Ang lamig.
it's hard.
Mataas. I might
Careful.
fall here.
Careful, it's slippery. Ice.
Okay. Lamig. My hands are cold. Very cold there on the snow. Thank you.